Hello guys, this is GD with GD Adventures. This time I'm working on a Kenmore dryer. I was having problems with it. It didn't want to heat up. Um, I kind of just look at it and didn't really dig into it. So I suggest that you please take the time and figure out what's wrong with it before you order any parts. In my case, after ordering the heat element, thinking that was a problem, I found out that that wasn't. So I'm gonna walk you through what I found and hopefully this helps you. My problem was actually the wall outlet. As you can see, it warmed up at some point and it melted the housing, causing this plug to get loose and corrode, and that caused the plug to heat up and build up some kind of rust too. And the problem was it wasn't giving enough power to the dryer, so the dryer didn't have the necessary voltage to heat up. Before you open your electrical plug, please remember that you need to turn off your the correct or your dryer circuit indicator at the load center. So do that before you get your hands in there, and remember to always disconnect your dryer before you work with the electric parts. So I got a new outlet. I'm gonna replace it. I also cleaned my plug. It's not perfectly clean, but I tested it and it works now. You can see that there's the marks where there was the buildup, and I cleaned it up. Other causes for your dryer to fail is sometimes the first thing you gotta check is this thermal fuse. That's your that prevents from it shuts up your dryer before if it overheats too much, to prevent from catching fire. Here's another thermostat, and then we have another one here and another one up here. How do you figure out if those are working? If you don't have a multimeter, get one. You have to set it, in my case, is right there, the setting where I need it. And then I'm gonna go and select here the continuity. So that's right there. This will give me the continuity, or however you pronounce it, on the thermostats to check to see if they work or not. So how you do it is you set it there, make sure you get those bars, and then for your cables, the black one will go here and then the red one will go here. I'm not sure if your multimeter will look like this, but I think that'll help you. So what you have to do is, let me try one of this so you can see. My thermal fuse is not working properly. When I had a guy come in and check my dryer a couple years ago, he did this and I don't know why he's supposed to be the uh, technician. He should do better than this. So my thermal fuse is not good, so he just like plug the two wires together so that the dryer works, but that's bypassing the work that this thermal fuse is supposed to do. So what you do is you try like this, and if you don't get a sound, then try the other way. So this one's not giving me anything, so it's telling me that that's bad. It's blown. Let me try one of the thermostats, and so you can hear the sound that it makes when the thermostat's good, or the thermal fuse. Your powers are gonna be the thick ones. They will go like this. This one. You hear that sound? That sound's telling you that the thermostat, or if your thermal fuse is good, that's working. That's the sound it makes. Let me show you the multimeter. Oops, having a hard time trying to make it work here with all my hands busy. Oh my gosh, sorry about that. Let me try again. So when you know that they're good, they should give you a reading of close to 0. That means they're working. So you can test them like that, and you'll know that they're good. If it makes that sound, then you know it's good. And that's how you test the rest of the thermostats. You get a sound, then you're good. Alright guys, so I got my new outlet. I tested it and it works. I'm just trying to show you. Make sure you don't turn your breaker on before you put your cover on, and then you can plug it in. Then go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on. And just for the purpose of showing you, I don't have the cover back on, but make sure you put the cover back on before you turn it on. But I'm gonna start it. Then you should be able to see how the heat element is turning orange through that hole. Right there, we have heat, and the dryer is back on, working again. So like I said, this is just a basic video. Hopefully it shows you, or it helps you how to figure out what the problem with your dryer is. There's different dryers, but I know that or I heard that Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, probably dryers that look like this. This is probably gonna help you. So this is the back of the dryer. It looks like this. I'll go ahead and put my covers back on, but Remember, you gotta test that thermostat. Test that thermostat, test this thermostat, and your thermal fuse. If those are good, if the multimeter makes that sound for you, then they're all good. And then there's something else wrong with your dryer. Well, hopefully this helps you. See you next time.